Welcome to Mature Designer. Today we'll be talking about how we can work very quickly on Figma, and this would make your work and life so easier. So let's get started with the top 6 tips that I'm having with me. First tip is how you can use the red dots that you never know how to use it. Like these red dots, you never know what to do with these things, but these are very helpful. Like for example, you made a calculator and then you thought that, oh my god, I never wanted this placement, I want to change all these placements. So you'll just select this one and this one, and when you see these red dots, just click this red dot and move it like this is one thing that makes your work very faster. Coming to the second tip, that is changing the color. So once you made this particular thing, then you thought that, oh no, my manager said that we don't want green but we want a red version, so I'll just have to go and select everything and make it red. No, just make, if you want to change the complete theme of this thing, just select it and then go over here. You'll see 70 colors. From here, just change the colors you want to go in the red theme. So just like this, you can completely change your theme. So select one screen as well and then just go to this one and change the theme right in this way. So this is how you can change the colors, and that's the one very quick way to change the color of your whole design system. The next thing is auto layout. So from over here, just take this example. I'll take this particular button to some other screen and then I'll have to again write something like mobile, and then I'll have to adjust this. So this is a very bad way of working and makes your work very hard. What you can do is just first of all select this particular button and press auto layout. Once you press auto layout, now whatever you will write over here, it will automatically adjust. So this is one way to work very fast. The fourth tip that I am having is copying and pasting styles. For example, in fonts as well, you can do this. I will just select this one, Alt Control C, and then go over here, select this one, Alt Control V. So it will copy the style of this particular thing and paste the style on this particular thing. So that makes our work so easier. You see, copy, paste, so you can just work very fast in this way. Fifth tip that I'm having with me is components. So you know that there are several screens that you want to have which will look exactly like this, but there will be very minute changes. So what you should do is that make a master component like this and then copy it like this, and then you have made several screens in this way, right? But suddenly you realize that location should not be on this page and should not be in any of these pages. So now what you have to do, you should not go to each and every pages and then select and delete these things. The best way to do it is to go on in the master component and then just select this part, and I will delete it. So it will get deleted from all the pages, and then I'll have to reduce the size of the page as well. And then I will shift it above and then reduce the size of the page. So that's how you can change all the pages and then adjust the frame like this. Instead of going to each and every 100 pages, just go to the master component and change it. So this is one very helpful way. And the last tip is component set, for which I have already made a video. Just go and check out that video. It is very helpful and a very quick way to work. Like